Hey guys, if you're trying to pair your iPhone or whatever phone device to the Freightliner Cascadia Evolution radio, and it's simple, but I was having a hard time trying to pair this thing because somebody changed the password, and there's a PIN code, 4-digit PIN code that you need to know, and usually when it comes from Freightliner, usually keep it at 4 zeros, but some jackass decided to change it. And so it's simple how you set up your Bluetooth. You just see this button right here, this power button.
Exactly what.
You just click on that until you see Bluetooth right here, and then come over here, and this is different. So you can pair up to 6 devices, and more, because there's another page up, page down right here. See that? It says page 2 and then page 1. So click on the first one, that's my iPhone. And then, so on the second one, you should see it says no pairing. Then you want to hold on to that one. And then it'll say new pairing. And then once it says new pairing, you tap new pairing, and then you tap this in, the volume button. It says waiting. Then you go to your phone setting, Bluetooth, and you look for CB car part. Look it up, click on it, and then that's where I was having a problem. It wouldn't let me connect to somebody changed the passcode on this thing. So if you're having a problem trying to pair, you put in 40 and it doesn't go, that means somebody changed the PIN code. So let me go back and show you how you find out the password. So over here where number push that in and you hold it, and see where it says PIN code. Now this PIN code you can also reset. So I reset it back to 0000 on 4 zeros. Just to make things easy for everybody. If you hold it again, see how it keeps flashing right there, and then you just go up and down, so you can create your own PIN code. But if I could just leave it as 0, make things easier for the next guy, and so that's what happened here. Keep saying, when I try to go pair my device earlier, it just keeps telling me that something's wrong PIN code. And so this is where you're able to find out where the PIN code is at. After you put everything back to 0, you just click it one time and see, and now the PIN code is back at 4 zeros instead of whatever number that last asshole had it at. Yeah, so hopefully this was helpful, and comment and like and share the video. Yeah, also follow your boy. Y'all stay safe out there, and y'all have a good one.